you stay and do you want to get that set up while I need to figure out what my password is to Bubble.
Where should I put this?
Yeah, you can just, I'll just stop this and okay. Who's that for?
Oh, geez, that's not how you spell.
Is that okay? It's got a comma in there. Your name?
Oh, yeah, I can't type today.
Oh,
Okay, I mean, I have it open on my computer in that account.
you
So,
close it now. But you shouldn't say that because I often have multiple screen.
I think, oh, it wants me to confirm my email for the 4th time. Okay. Jesus fucking Christ. It's sending me an email. Okay, now it should work. Let's try this again. Alright.
Are you sure your password is okay?
Maybe try continue with Google. Do you think that would make a difference?
It's not a Google email.
So did you set up
Sometimes it works. Sometimes it works.
That's my Bryant email that I made it on.
Sometimes Google works for me. And
I can try, yeah. I don't think it's gonna recognize this as a Gmail. Oh, maybe. Yeah. Is there no way for me to just do it from my computer?
I mean, this is
Google.
very odd. You're sure you didn't do, you know?
I'm looking at the password right now.
I think it, you know.
Oh, wait, hold on.
I think it's your Gmail. But I keep telling people.
I got it.
See, these are small companies. They just send a big bill to a brand, you know.
Like, we have to pay for it?
Well, it is free, but you know they have lost. You know, they need money. And
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
Ah!
yeah.
Yay!
Wonderful.
Okay. Alright, so this is our website that we made once it loads. Do you want me to just go to preview and then go through all the things it does? Okay.
It's some kind of.
Alright, so this is our homepage. It just welcomes you, asks you whether you want to set up a teaching or a learning profile. You can change whatever you select. So first we'll say we want to teach. You click the button, brings you to being a teacher. You can input your skills. So say, I don't know, coding, not a skill I have, but it's fine. You can save it. It pops down there. You can add it to your saves. We'll do another one just because so it shows up. You can put as many as you want. You can go to your saved skills. Those are obvious. Those are the ones that I did for a test that are still in there. But this lets you look at all your saved skills. And when you're on the learning page as well, any skills that you put into trade also show up on this page. There's a back to home button. So then say you want to learn. It takes you to another choice page where it basically explains the 2 ways to do it. So you can either barter a skill and trade, or you can pay to learn. So first, let's say we want to barter a skill. We come in here. It's similar to the teaching where you put your skill in. I don't know. What's a skill? French? Yeah.
There you go.
You save the skill. You can either go to save skills, which we just were at, or you can go back to home. Do you want me to go to save skills again or back? Does it matter? Okay. So then this time, let's say we want to learn, but we don't have any skills, so we're going to pay. So you go to the pay to learn. it lets you put in, it explains the two package types. So there's premium and standard. You get to choose your package type from a drop down. So let's say we want a standard package. Our number of months, it lets you go up to 6. So it's 25 a month. Let's say we want 2 months of it. The price would be 50. The date ordered would be today. You save it, and it goes down there into your cart, and you can go back to home as well from here.
Okay, I think, maybe the other two also I'll do it now. Since the bubble is on, then I can save all the 3 bubbles.
Oh, like have everybody do that? Okay.
Yeah, in one sequence, So can you come and run your bubble now?
You're gonna present?
They will present after all the bubbles.
Okay, I'm trying to set my password because I don't think to put it in your computer, I don't remember what it is. Did I remember my password?
Oh, it was only
No, everyone else is gonna do their bubble.
Alright, that makes sense. So,
So, very good, wonderful work, kids. So we're going to be teaching bubble in MBA this summer. So I want to show what people are not at. So, okay, log in. The people getting I mean, the problem is that they are at.
I think in the email, there's one extra. I don't know, forget it.
oh,
I don't think so.
Okay, use another account,
And I don't really know what else my password would be, but I can go on my laptop and try to reset it.
Yeah, we can do it now.
You can then maybe later try. But I think the problem is coming from there and so with this bubble uses cookies, you have agree, otherwise it will Yeah, that's very good.
Oh. That's what's happening in my computer as well. What can we do about it?
There's like a weird thing with the site, like online.
I can show you in my phone if
No,
that's.
that is okay, but I wanted to,
We can screen record it and send it to you.
you can you screen recording?
Yes. Yeah, but that would have to be maybe not today, maybe like we can do it later. Okay.
Then you can continue with your principal presentation,
Okay. Okay. Well, it's like
It is showing.
well, but this is like not like I cannot edit this, you know? Like this is not the viewer, like people can't view this. This is just like how I can edit it, you know? But you can see here's
Yeah.
like,
Describe it now.
well, okay.
So these are my pages. The first page will do my.
Okay, so this is like we didn't know how to do like 2 pages in one, so I have like another file. But yeah, our title is Trainer X, like smart, adaptive, and motivating. So what you can do here is you can just put your name down here. Then you can do like the service that you want, either freemium or premium. We have that as well. Then you put the value of like the amount that that subscription is. So for example, if it's the freemium model, you just put 0, but if it's the premium, it's $10. So then for the subscription, you can either decide whether it would be monthly or yearly, like if you would like to pay it that way. So you don't have any type of commitment, you'd have to do yearly. But if you do yearly, it will probably have like a little bit of a discount because you're committing for a very long time. And then here you can put the date on, like the day that you're gonna pay. So this is like kind of like, so we can keep track of the amount of people that there is in our website and how many people are using it. Then here we have kind of, again, it will not show correctly, but kind of like this is kind of like the things that you need to do. Like you can put all your goals in here. For example, workout 7 a.m. and that's like, okay, you're gonna do that, then you can check it off. Then you can like, oh, buy weights, check. Charge your wearables, check, and then you can do that here.
Okay.
But it won't show.
Now try to run and then try to snip, when it says. Yeah, try to run. Yeah, try to run it.
Oh,
Yeah, it's running.
oh, it's not appearing. I don't know why. Well, I can say. Well, I don't know why it's not working, but it's saving it somewhere. And then yeah, that's what we have.
Now try to run it. Now try to run it on the main. Okay, can you take a snippet because they wanted me again run it. They wanted me to send them a copy of this.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, can you take a copy? Let me get off.
Yeah, I don't know how to do it.
You have a phone? Can you take the
Yes.
phone? Mic?
Yeah.
Dale otro, pon otro, ¿eh? Done.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, can you try again? If it works, then
Yes, that could also.
can you send me that email? Yeah.
Sorry?
Can you send me that email?
Yes. I'll send it to you right now. Send it to you.
Okay.
Okay, so this is ours. So Brendan, you can take over.
This is the home page. You just have the little mission statement, welcome statement. This is the marketplace. This is the playlist, and then this is where you book a therapy session. So on the marketplace, you can enter your name, which product you want, how many you want, and then hit confirm. And then it'll put it down, and it'll keep going for each confirmation of purchase. And then on playlists, you select if you want AI generated, select a purpose, generate, songs will pop up. Motivation, relaxation, or if you wanted to build your own, put in a name, choose songs, you can add them. As you add them, the artist and the title will pop up down here. And then for therapy sessions, you can choose on the drop down which type you want, your goal, how long, the date. So we'll just do it for today, and then your name, confirm, and then it'll pop up down here. That's it.
Okay, thank you very much. Copy. Great. So now you can come and do your, yes.
How do we get to the like the flash drive?
So you want to go to this one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Which one is yours?
Um.
This one, I say phase 3.
Yeah. Pretty sure. Yeah.
There it is, yeah.
I don't know how to make it big.
You can sit down and
Is there a way to like make it big, or should we just?
you make it big. Make it go to big thing.
How do I do that? Is there like a present button, or am I blind? What is this? Yeah, no, that's not it. How do I make it bigger? Or should we just do it like this?
Just do like that, yeah.
All right. So again, we did mentor match. So we're gonna go through a recap of like our business concept, and then everything else is to do with Einstein. So how we would use it for sales, CRM, marketing and commerce, logistics, and we thought the website demo was gonna be the end of this, so we'll skip that. But was there. So first is our business concept recap. So as we've said before, it's a consumer to consumer, teaching and learning from other consumers. We're pretty much just an intermediary. We're not selling a specific product, so we don't actually have a cost to make anything. Our platform is bubble.io, as we just saw. It's a website and a mobile app, low cost, no code development and maintenance, which is really easy. For the marketing, we said we were going to do a targeted multi-platform social media approach, and utilize influencers and the eventual use of an ambassador program down the road. And for funding, we're going to mostly get our funding from the premium subscriptions, integrated with pay to learn and ad revenue, for those who have a standard subscription. Plus the fact that we have low costs and multiple revenue sources are what's going to make us profitable.
So next we have our sales. So using Einstein for sales in two ways, forecasting and insights. So for forecasting, Einstein's able to highly predict accurate, individualized sales forecasts so the company can know what to expect from the customers and why. And for the insights, it automatically does for us a deep dive into the website and user trends to show which programs are more successful and which programs aren't. So we had this little generated chart for our expected revenue by quarter. So the thought process behind this for quarter 1 and quarter 4 are going to be our largest revenue quarters. And we thought this because, especially quarter 4, we thought that this might be popular around Christmas time and around the holidays. We thought it would make a good gift for somebody to buy for somebody. So say you don't know what to get someone for Christmas. Okay, I'll get you a month or 2 subscription to Mentor Match because you might want to pick up a new skill around the holiday because it's cold, you're stuck in the house, you might want to hop on the call and learn something from someone. It might be a little less popular in the summer months, but we're working on that.
And like we said, we did source this. We didn't make this graph. We found it to fit what we thought. But just to add on to what Josh was saying, we looked into Duolingo's biggest month is January because everybody's New Year's resolution is to learn something new. So we figured that that would apply to this as well since it's like a similar model. And so then customer relationship management. How we would use Einstein is they have their AI helper bots. So you can create your own customized chatbot, which you can train to do the tasks that you want it to do, so that it's really individualized to your product. We decided we would use it to interface with users for simple tasks, so we could direct them to customer support. Would create less of a need for people to actually interact with users unless it was a more serious or complicated issue. And it would just kind of streamline the process and make it more efficient. In terms of upselling and cross-selling, we can use the predictions that we talked about before with sales in order to suggest new skills to learners that might go well with skills they're already learning. Or if they've learned a skill, might suggest to them to teach it to others and keep that rolling rate. In terms of incident predictions, they have a debugger, which would be really helpful for us, especially with a no-code website, since a lot of the code wasn't built by us. So it would be able to alert us to any technical difficulties, even more than the actual bubble.io site is. As we saw, it can be a little bit problematic. So this would be helpful. And then churn risk, they can identify when a customer has a high risk for leaving. So this data could be used to trigger marketing or promotional materials. Maybe we see that someone's been using it less, and we say, here's 2 months, 3 months of premium, and get them to stay. So stuff like that.
So next we have our marketing and commerce. So we're gonna, for personalized growth using Einstein, we have predictive audiences. So it's gonna identify which users are most likely to start teaching or learning soon, just based on the demographic of their age, whether they're a college student, if they're older. For engagement scoring, it's going to rank users by how likely they are to engage with new matches or promotions. Again, something you'll be able to tell by their data. Smart recommendations, so pretty much just suggested, like similar to how social media platforms, they see what you view and they make recommendations like that, similar like that. And then AI optimized messaging, so it's going to improve outreach content for emails and social posts to increase responsive rates. And next we have our logistics. So to improve the operations with the help of Einstein, we're going to use skill-matched forecasting to predict what skills will be most in demand soon. Again, this kind of ties into our seasonal trends, so maybe something like how to grill, how to cook might be something that you might want to learn in the winter, coming up for the spring and the summer months. Or learning how to play the piano might not be as popular in the winter because you might not be inside doing that. Real-time session insights. So this is going to use peak hours and popular categories for better scheduling. So there might be times where the website's more popular. It might not be as popular during the day, but it might be easier to get a lesson at night, especially with a user who has a higher rating. So this is going to come into play that way. AI-powered administration guidance. So it's going to give you actionable recommendations for managing flagged accounts and expanding categories. Just dealing with these people who are faking their talents that we might not be able to build off of if you're not getting an equal skill to what you're giving. And lastly, just an advanced analytics dashboard. It's going to help with Tableau and Einstein to track performance, trends, and resource allocation effectively.
And then we would have had our website demo, but we did that already.
Okay, thank you very much. Wonderful job.
Thank you.
Yeah, great job. So can you come and make your presentation?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead. Yeah, if you have your USB drive or something. So did you put this, your program here? No.
No.
Where is your program?
I didn't really understand the instructions. I turned it in. I thought that's
Well,
what
can
you
can you go to a site where your program, where your PowerPoint is?
Yeah, do you want us to just upload it on that?
Yeah, can you?
Yeah.
So maybe the other group can go first, and then once we're done uploading that.
Well,
Yeah,
it's gonna take me like 2 minutes.
Okay,
Oh, yeah.
Take 2 seconds.
okay, that's all. We just wait.
Maybe they're going.
No.
Honestamente, no debo dar mierda. Uy. La que computadora, güey. La que hago. No bien, entonces también. No sé. Así.
Yeah, that's the PC.
Iba a decir que eso. ¿Por qué tú pusiste su nombre? No, juega vieja blanca.
Okay. Hello, so our project is Trainer X. We're gonna give a little bit overview of what it is.
So to start with the business concept, it's an AI-powered fitness app, which tailors workouts based on real-time feedback, progress, and biometric data. It has a computer vision and motion tracking in order to analyze the activity done with the app. It's AI. It's an AI generated workout app. It optimizes intensity based on fatigue, heart rate, and past performance. It can also connect to wearables like the Whoop. It has gamification elements such as fitness challenges, leaderboards, and achievements for motivation, and includes a virtual AI trainer with AR. So to go into the feasibility and how can we build it, the Trainer X uses AI computer vision via smartphone and syncs with wearables such as Whoop or the Apple Watch for real-time biometrics and interactive coaching. So that would be the technical feasibility. For the market feasibility, it's very high demand for adaptive tech-driven fitness solutions among home workout users and tech-savvy fitness enthusiasts. And for the operational feasibility, the app-based model is scalable and accessible through your phone or whatever you use. And there is potential for brand partnerships in order to enhance market growth. And for the financial feasibility, it heavily relies on subscription revenue, in-app purchases, and brand deals, all which are low overhead costs, and there is a high revenue potential. So who is it for and how will it sell? Our main target segments are fitness beginners and enthusiasts, home workout users, busy professionals, and wearable tech users, as well as people who are recovering from any injury like ACL recovery or something like that. The revenue model would be first, we offer a freemium app with basic access. For those who want to pay a premium subscription, it would be $10 a month. For AR trainer and custom plans. And also we can make revenue through brand partnerships, affiliate deals, and corporate wellness integrations. For the how smart this investment is, well, it taps into a growing digital fitness market as well as the growing use of AI. It features AI personalization, biometric syncing, and AR coaching, so there is a large market for that. Our two main competitors would be Peloton and Apple Fitness. However, Peloton, for example, depends a lot on their hardware, and Apple Fitness doesn't include the motion tracking that we offer, which are our main competitive advantages, as well as the wearable sync and AR coaching. For how we'll build it, our technology plan, it leverages smartphone-based computer vision and wearable device APIs, to gather real-time data. From the first month to the second month, we would be building our core computer vision. The third and fourth month, we would integrate AI feedback engine and wearables, so the AI would be learning. So the AI could learn through user engagement, and from month 5 to 6, there would be beta testing and iteration. Our team structure would be of one lead developer, one user experience designer, one engineer, one marketing strategist, and one business developer. How will we launch our Kickstarter? We have a Kickstarter with a goal of $50,000. Our incentives for backers would be early access to app, subscription bundles from 6 to 12 months, and merchandise. Our marketing strategy would be highlighting real-time AI and biometric syncing, influencer testimonials, and wearable brands collaborations, as well as promoting community coaching features and social proof. And for our social media, our purpose is to show how Trainer X will attract and engage users through tailored content across different platforms, including Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, and X, which was Twitter. We would include, for example, in Instagram and TikTok, workouts, clips, transformation stories, AI trainer demos, and then, for example, in LinkedIn, we could that would be a business to business outreach. We could develop wellness content for corporate partners, and this just demonstrates a well-rounded digital presence to target both segments.
Okay, so for our website or for our app, we need a lot of information of our customers. So we would need, for example, their basic information, kind of like their height, their weight, their age. We will also need to know what their fitness goals are in order to like adapt those workouts to them. Maybe you would like to like gain weight, lose weight, build muscle mass, depending on what your goal is. Again, your type of activity level, if you have any type of injuries or limitations. So like the website, the AI trainer, the workouts that they give you will adapt to your body and your goals. Also, what type of workouts you prefer. If you have any available equipment in your home, because like if you say you have no equipment, then the workouts that they will give you will require no equipment. Also like the schedule that you have, so they can make a plan for you throughout the week. If you have any wearable devices, so you can sync to them to the app. And then if you have any dietary preferences, obviously some of these require for you to have the premium model, but it all works out perfect. Then for our customer relationship management with AI, we decided just to have, a chatbot integration for all customers to be able to use. This will be 24/7. This is our most important part for our website and for our customers, because since this website is basically made on AI, this is very important. This is for any like technical questions that they might have, any workout guidance that they will need, or personalized recommendations. Also, we will have the customer to relationship management automation, which will just track, the user behavior. If you haven't worked out for a very long time, it will tell you like, oh, you didn't complete like maybe your weekly goal or something, and you can reset it. And yeah, for data-driven upselling / cross-selling, it will recommend, for example, fitness equipment. If you want any supplements, it will tell you like, oh, if you have iron deficiency, they will tell you, oh, you need to maybe recommend you this supplement for you to drink and all that stuff. So we decided to also partner with Fitness AI, which is an already made like AI platform. It's already made, so we don't have to maybe spend all that money, all that extra time building this. And plus, since only our crowdfunding was $50,000, this will not be sufficient to build a super good 100% effective website right from the gate. So we decided to partner with the Fitness AI, which is an already built platform. As you can see, it's already used by 1 million plus users. So it will also give engagement to our platform if they promote it for us and help all that stuff. It's already tested, like the platform. So, the error there would be limited. So our core marketing with Fitness AI, basically, it just will boost credibility and trust for all customers. This isn't something that's been on the market for a long time. So that will incentivize for them to use our website and, our workouts and trust on our maybe AI trainer and all that workouts. We can also do like co-branded challenges between the two, sponsored by maybe both of us. It's like a 30-day AI powered transformation. This will incentivize more people to do the challenge. It can become viral like on the internet, maybe put like a hashtag on it. And also it just, again, super shared reach and social proof on the internet. And yes. Then the benefits are, again, it's AI backed up expertise. They have a lot of expertise, and this gives them brand authority. And then maybe in the future, once we grow and all, we can individualize. But for now, this is the best idea. We can also do like joint social posts and blog posts and all that stuff. to do like kind of content creation together. And for our e-commerce synergy with Fitness AI, we have like the checkout add-ons, we have like recovery kits, wearables that they can buy through our website, maybe discounts and stuff like that. For our customers, we can also do different types of bundles. Like if you buy a yearly plan, you will get this equipment for free, and we can send them to their home. And yes. And then this is just the mock-up of our kind of like the website that we have.
Do you use Copilot in development of this plan or anything?
Like we used it for ideas, but not necessarily for like our idea plan. Like I looked kind of like the best AI for fitness, and like that's what appeared on the internet. Yeah, so yeah. And then yeah, you can see, since I couldn't show you in the actual website, you could how it would look like. Like you put your name, for example, Maria, and she chooses a premium subscription, and it's $0 because she just used the free option. So that's how it would appear. If it would have shown correctly. Yeah. That's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much.
What? No dice nada, pero sácalo ya. Ah, no sé, está bien la tarea.
The file select there. We can do it. All right, so we're just gonna get to our presentation on Harmony Hub right now. Obviously, alongside my partners Will, Brendan, and Duke. So I get to it. So just a little recap what Harmony Hub offers to obviously combine all three of our faces together. AI generated soundscapes, customized for mood and mental wellness, live sessions with certified music therapists for real-time support, curated e-commerce products like calming kits, weighted masks, and sound tools, combine AI, licensed therapy, and physical wellness products into a single personalized platform, offers both free resources and premium content for broader accessibility. Again, for our algorithm development, we've touched on this briefly, but to add a little more, we plan to do a university partnership plan, collaborate with the university's computer science department, engage students and faculty in developing Harmony Hub's personalized algorithm. This will also let us gain access to real user feedback through campus wellness centers, as that comp sci program would probably use their wellness center. Offer internships in tech, marketing, and operations to build real world value for those students. For the on-site implementation, we will go over lead generation and CRM. We'll go over customer experience, chatbot and churn risk. We'll go over personalized marketing and commerce, and then we will go over logistics and product fulfillment. For Einstein, for lead generation and conversation, Einstein can identify ideal leads, so college students, remote workers, etc. It will be able to predict likelihood to subscribe or upgrade. This will help us segment our markets. It'll be able to prioritize leads by engagement, time on site, and session types. And also this will automate lead interactions, site visits, downloads, and email clicks. For our CRM, for our relationship management, we can have our chatbot answer product questions, recommend therapy bundles, onboarding AI, tailored welcome emails and product suggestions, churn prediction, spot drop-off risk, and auto send re-engagement offers, and AI suggestions are next best actions to deepen engagement.
So Einstein for marketing, the first thing they can do is offer recommendations so they can predict which specific service individuals are most likely to interact with. They also have engagement scoring. This uses machine learning and AI to determine which individuals are most likely to engage with our services, and this optimizes different campaigns to different target audiences. Einstein also provides journey insights, so this predicts most effective touch points and sequences, and this can increase our marketing ROI and leads to higher customer engagement. And then they also have Einstein Vision, which detects and analyzes music therapy related posts, trends, and influencers, and this leads to better brand management and customer engagement. And then for logistics and fulfillment, with shipping and deliveries, Einstein can predict peak periods such as an exam season or holidays. They can predict potential delays in deliveries and estimate deliveries based on region and inventory. And then for inventory, they can notify different partners about product needs, and they can predict and manage our inventory levels for our marketplace. And this ensures correct amount of stock on hand, and this prevents sellout or overstock. And then in terms of demand, Einstein can predict demand for the various products and or services we have, and this improves allocation and customer satisfaction.
So for the Einstein for Converse, obviously we're using a personalized storefront in here. We want to recommend, calming kids, mass, or just a therapist session based on like how all the users are feeling and like how much time do they put into what we're doing. We're also using AI bundling as well. We mostly would suggest a curated some of these sleep kits are just focused pets, so like some of these that could actually help us focus with what we're doing, therapy wise. And we're also going to upsell triggers as well. So we'll send offers mostly just based on our behavior. So like, the cart abandonment or just some of the repeated usage. And just to summarize all the benefits that we have here, what we do in here is we want to try to personalize customer experience. We want everyone to, have the best experience possible when they listen to all what we do on the Harmony Hub. We also want to have some better, smarter inventory and shipping. So like we want to make this easier accessible to people in the event that if they cannot purchase anything online, they can also purchase a couple of these things from home. We also want to have a higher conversion, and retention as well. So like if I want to download what we post it on our website, that'll be an easier thing. And this is actually a better marketing ROI for us. The way that we rent these products out, give everyone the best experience possible.
And then this is just a preview of our website that we went over with you.
Yep, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much. Great job, thank you.
Thank you.
So you send that tape,
Yeah, we're uploading it right now.
no, not totally, I mean, that Cisco is not allowing you to
Yeah, we sent you the picture.
on my email.
Yes, I can send it to you.
Okay. Okay, guys, so that is for today. And so we are meeting on Saturday for our finals.
Oh,
Okay.
that's it, right? That's it for today.
Yeah, that's for today. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Yeah. So let me now stop this thing.